Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to be opening day 22 of our Advent calendar for 2024. So join me as I open the bag. I've got day 22 here. I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh my. Look at that bag of confetti sequins. It's in beautiful iridescent colors that match the colors that we've been using for our papers and the foils. And that you can definitely use these in these circle shaker covers that you received. So we've got a beautiful exclusive pack of confetti sequins for you. Thanks for joining me as I open day 22. I hope you'll join me again tomorrow and you're super excited to see what's in the bag. Have a great evening, everyone.